I have one target the VIP people, protect them. I think sometimes the female better than male.
This gold leaf machine offers different sizes of gold. They're a lot smaller than you might think.
Dubai sets itself apart from the rest of the world with its cutting-edge architecture, opulent lifestyle, and a relentless pursuit of innovation. In today's video, we'll be talking about things you can only see if you visit Dubai. Are you new to this channel? Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. And before we start, like the video. 25. Awesome patrol cars. Dubai's police force is renowned for its fleet of awe-inspiring patrol cars, which reflect the city's commitment to blending luxury with law enforcement. These vehicles not only serve as instruments of security, but also as symbols of the city's opulence and innovation. One of the most iconic patrol cars in Dubai is undoubtedly the Bugatti Veyron. With its top speed of over 250 miles per hour, 402 kilometers per hour, this supercar is not only a statement of authority, but also a powerful tool for apprehending high-speed offenders. Its sleek design and unparalleled speed make it an intimidating presence on the road, ensuring that law enforcement can respond swiftly and effectively to any situation. Dubai's police cars are not limited to supercars. They also include rugged and robust SUVs like the Brabus G63 AMG. These off-road beasts are customized to handle the challenging terrain of the desert while maintaining the city's reputation for extravagance and style. One cannot overlook the attention to detail in the livery and design of these police vehicles. They are adorned with the Dubai police emblem and the UAE flag, creating a sense of pride and unity within the community. 24. The Burj Al Arab's helipad. The Burj Al Arab's helipad is a world-renowned architectural marvel that epitomizes Dubai's commitment to extravagance and luxury, perched 696 feet, 210 meters above the Arabian Gulf. The helipad, which sits atop the iconic sail-shaped Burj Al Arab Hotel, is often considered one of the most exclusive and picturesque helipads globally, offering breathtaking panoramic views of the Dubai skyline in the azure waters of the Persian Gulf. Accessible only to a select few, it has been the setting for numerous high-profile events, including photo shoots, promotional stunts, and even tennis matches featuring world-renowned athletes like Roger Federer and Andre Agassi. The helipad's design is nothing short of extraordinary, seamlessly integrated into the hotel's architectural marvel. Its use of state-of-the-art materials ensures stability and safety while providing an illusion of a floating platform. Its exclusivity extends to arrival and departure via a private helicopter, providing a dramatic and unforgettable entrance for guests. 23. Safari Park in Dubai. Dubai Safari Park is an expansive wildlife conservation and ecotourism project. Spanning an impressive 294 acres, 119 hectares, the park was officially introduced in 2017, establishing itself as a prominent destination for wildlife enthusiasts and conservationists. The park is meticulously organized into distinct zones, each representing specific ecological regions such as the African, Asian, and Arabian villages. Within these zones, visitors can encounter a diverse array of animal species, including large mammals, birds, reptiles, and more. Dubai Safari Park places a strong emphasis on environmental sustainability and animal welfare, ensuring that the habitats closely resemble the natural environments of the resident species. The park actively participates in breeding programs with a particular focus on endangered species. Furthermore, it engages visitors through interactive experiences, offering guided tours, behind-the-scenes glimpses, and educational encounters that emphasize the importance of wildlife preservation and environmental awareness. 22. All-female police. Dubai is known for its innovative approaches in various fields, including law enforcement. In this regard, the city has established an all-women SWAT, Special Weapons and Tactics team, within the Dubai Police Force. This elite unit, formed in 2021, comprises 38 highly trained female officers who specialize in handling critical and high-risk situations. The all-women SWAT team is responsible for addressing a wide range of emergencies, including hostage situations, counter-terrorism operations, and other complex security challenges.
I have one target the VIP people, protect them. I think sometimes the female better than male.
Their training and skills mirror those of their male counterparts in the SWAT unit, ensuring their effectiveness in crisis management. This groundbreaking initiative not only emphasizes gender equality, but also demonstrates Dubai's commitment to empowering women in traditionally male-dominated fields. The all-woman SWAT team serves as an inspiration to women in Dubai and beyond, showcasing their capabilities in law enforcement roles that demand physical prowess, tactical expertise, and courage. 21. Air-conditioned bus stops in Dubai. Dubai is known for its innovation and commitment to the comfort of its residents and visitors. One notable feature that reflects this commitment is the presence of air-conditioned bus stops throughout the city. These air-conditioned bus shelters offer respite from the scorching desert heat, ensuring a more comfortable and pleasant public transportation experience. They are equipped with advanced climate control systems that provide cool and refreshing air to waiting passengers. They also come with seating areas, real-time information displays, and free Wi-Fi access. These air-conditioned bus shelters are strategically placed at key locations across the city, including popular tourist destinations, shopping districts, and residential areas. 20. Camel Desert Safari in Dubai. A camel desert safari in Dubai provides an immersive cultural and natural experience in the heart of the Arabian Desert. Typically starting in the late afternoon or early evening to avoid extreme daytime heat, these safaris offer visitors the opportunity to ride camels, the traditional mode of desert transportation, guided by skilled Bedouin guides. The safari takes place in the vast Arabian Desert, characterized by its expansive sand dunes and striking desert landscapes. The camel ride itself offers a serene and contemplative experience, allowing participants to connect with the desert's tranquility as they traverse the undulating dunes. Following the camel ride, participants are typically welcomed into a traditional desert camp. Here, they can relax in Bedouin-style tents, partake in traditional Arab cuisine, and enjoy cultural performances, including belly dancing and live music. The desert's remote location also provides an excellent opportunity for stargazing due to minimal light pollution, offering a clear view of the night sky. 19. The Cayenne Tower. The Cayenne Tower, formerly known as the Infinity Tower, is a distinctive skyscraper located in the prestigious Dubai Marina district of Dubai, United Arab Emirates. Designed by the world-renowned architectural firm Skidmore, Owings & Merrill, the tower is celebrated for its innovative and dynamic twist in design,
which twists around as it gets higher. This is the newly inaugurated Cayenne Tower, nestled in the Dubai Marina of the United Arab Emirates,
which sets it apart from other skyscrapers in the world. One of the key features of the Cayenne Tower is its unique spiral structure, which rotates as it ascends, giving it a distinctive, twisting appearance. This twist serves both an aesthetic and functional purpose, as it helps to minimize solar heat gain and provide residents with unobstructed panoramic views of the Dubai skyline, the Arabian Gulf, and the Palm Jumeirah. Standing at a height of 1,004 feet, 306 meters, and comprising 73 floors, the Cayenne Tower is primarily a residential building. It offers luxury apartments and penthouses that are known for their modern design and high-end amenities. Residents enjoy access to a range of facilities, including a swimming pool, fitness center, spa, and concierge services. The Cayenne Tower has garnered numerous architectural awards and recognition for its innovative design and engineering. 18. Ski Dubai. Dubai is home to one of the most extraordinary shopping mall attractions globally, the indoor ski slope located within the Mall of the Emirates. Known as Ski Dubai, this remarkable facility offers visitors a surreal experience by bringing winter sports and snowy adventures to the heart of the desert. Ski Dubai is a massive indoor ski resort that spans over 242,188 square feet, 22,500 square meters. It features 5 slopes of varying difficulty levels, including a 1,312 feet, 400 meter long main slope, which is the world's first indoor black diamond run. These slopes are covered with real snow all year round, thanks to advanced snowmaking technology that ensures a consistent skiing or snowboarding experience. The facility offers an array of winter activities beyond skiing and snowboarding. Visitors can engage in snowball fights, explore an ice cave, experience tobogganing, and even interact with penguins in the snow park. For those new to winter sports, Ski Dubai provides lessons and equipment rental services. Ski Dubai also houses a variety of food and beverage outlets, including a cozy alpine-themed cafe overlooking the slopes. 17. Gold vending machines. Dubai is renowned for its luxurious and innovative approach to various aspects of life, including commerce, and one striking example of this is the presence of gold vending machines within the city. These machines, often referred to as gold ATMs, offer customers the opportunity to purchase gold bars and coins conveniently and securely. These machines are typically found in prominent locations such as shopping malls, hotels, and popular tourist destinations. They offer various sizes and denominations of gold, including bars and commemorative coins, which customers can select based on their preferences and budget.
This gold leaf machine offers different sizes of gold. They're a lot smaller than you might think.
To use a gold vending machine, customers simply choose the desired item, make the payment using cash or credit card, and receive their gold product, which is dispensed in a protective package that includes a certificate of authenticity. These machines are equipped with advanced security features to ensure the safety and authenticity of the gold products. Gold vending machines have become a unique attraction in Dubai, attracting both tourists and residents who appreciate the city's affinity for luxury and precious metals. They offer a convenient way to invest in or purchase gold as a souvenir, making them a symbol of Dubai's reputation for extravagance and innovation in commerce. 16. Food for the poor in Dubai. Dubai, known for its opulence and wealth, also engages in philanthropic efforts to address poverty and support those in need within its community. The government and various charitable organizations in Dubai have implemented programs and initiatives aimed at providing food assistance and support to low-income individuals and families. One of the notable initiatives is the Dubai Food Bank, established in 2017 under the Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum Global Initiatives. This initiative collects surplus food from hotels, restaurants, supermarkets, and individuals and distributes it to those in need. The Dubai Food Bank plays a significant role in reducing food wastage while addressing hunger and food insecurity in the city. Additionally, the Year of Giving initiative in the UAE emphasizes philanthropy and humanitarian efforts, encouraging individuals and organizations to contribute to charitable causes, including providing food for the less fortunate. During the holy month of Ramadan in particular, Dubai witnesses various initiatives and events where free meals are distributed to laborers and those in need to ensure that they can break their fast with dignity. Several charitable organizations and community groups in Dubai also actively engage in food drives, meal distribution, and food voucher programs to assist low-income families and individuals. 15. Golden cars in Dubai. Dubai is known for its extravagance and a penchant for luxury, and one of the most iconic symbols of this opulence is the prevalence of gold-plated and gold-wrapped cars on its streets. These gilded automobiles are a unique and conspicuous display of wealth and status. Gold cars in Dubai come in various forms, from sports cars like Lamborghinis, Ferraris, and Bugattis adorned with gold accents to more modest vehicles covered entirely in gold chrome or wrapped in gold vinyl. The choice of gold as a car finish is often associated with the desire to stand out and showcase affluence in a city where luxury is abundant. It's important to note that the use of gold on cars is not limited to private individuals. Even law enforcement agencies in Dubai have used gold-plated vehicles for promotional purposes. For example, the Dubai Police Force introduced a gold-plated Chevrolet and a gold-chrome Bugatti Veyron as part of its patrol fleet to attract attention and promote road safety awareness. 14. Palm Jumeirah. Palm Jumeirah is an iconic man-made island and residential development located off the coast of Dubai. It is one of the 3 palm-shaped artificial islands in Dubai, collectively known as the Palm Islands, with Palm Jumeirah being the first and most famous of the trio. This iconic development is renowned for its luxurious lifestyle, featuring upscale residences, high-end hotels like Atlantis, the Palm, and a scenic 6.8-mile, 11-kilometer boardwalk that traces the Outer Crescent. The island offers a stunning blend of waterfront living, world-class dining, entertainment, and shopping, making it a self-contained paradise within the city. As one of the most famous man-made islands globally, Palm Jumeirah continues to captivate residents and tourists with its opulence, breathtaking views, and a vibrant coastal atmosphere at the heart of Dubai. 13. World's largest urban zipline. The X-Line Dubai is an exhilarating and record-breaking zipline experience located in the heart of Dubai. It's known for providing adventure seekers with a unique opportunity to soar above the city's iconic urban landscape. The X-Line Dubai features 2 parallel ziplines that stretch over 3,280 feet, 1 kilometer each. Participants of the X-Line Dubai are securely harnessed and attached to the zipline, which starts from a platform on one of Dubai's skyscrapers. From there, they descend at high speeds, reaching speeds of up to 50 miles per hour, 80 kilometers per hour, while enjoying breathtaking panoramic views of the city below. The zipline adventure offers a unique perspective of Dubai's iconic landmarks, including the Dubai Marina and the JBR beachfront. The X-Line Dubai is open to thrill seekers and tourists, offering an unforgettable experience that combines adrenaline-pumping action with stunning urban vistas. 12. World's largest flower garden. The Dubai Miracle Garden is a renowned botanical garden situated in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. Operating seasonally from November to April to coincide with the city's milder weather, it stands as a remarkable horticultural achievement. The garden is celebrated for its elaborate floral displays, including intricate patterns, sculptures, and themed gardens, all created using a diverse array of flowers, plants, and trees. Notable features include the world's largest flower wall and an Airbus A380-shaped arrangement, both recognized by Guinness World Records. Adjacent to the garden is the Butterfly Garden, an enclosed space housing numerous butterflies in a controlled environment. Sustainability is a key focus, with eco-friendly practices and efficient irrigation systems in place. The Dubai Miracle Garden has become a renowned attraction, drawing visitors from around the world to witness its captivating floral landscapes and innovations in horticulture. 11. Spend a night in a palace. Palace Downtown is a luxurious gem nestled in the heart of Dubai's vibrant downtown district. This opulent hotel pays homage to the Arabian palatial architecture, creating an atmosphere of regal elegance and cultural richness. Guests are greeted with a blend of traditional Middle Eastern heritage and contemporary luxury, offering a refined and unforgettable experience. The accommodations are sumptuously appointed, with rooms and suites offering breathtaking views of iconic landmarks like the Burj Khalifa and the Dubai Fountain. Dining at Palace Downtown is a culinary journey featuring Arabian delicacies at Uwan and authentic Thai cuisine at Tiptara. The hotel's spa, fitness center, and outdoor pool provide serene relaxation, while cultural activities and live performances offer an immersive experience. Palace Downtown's central location allows for easy exploration of Dubai's renowned attractions, making it an ideal choice for those seeking an enchanting and indulgent stay in the city. 10. Dubai Aquarium and Underwater Zoo. The Dubai Aquarium and Underwater Zoo, situated within the Dubai Mall, is one of the city's prominent marine attractions. Its main feature is a colossal acrylic panel tank that houses a diverse array of marine life, including sharks, rays, and various fish species. The aquarium offers visitors a unique and immersive experience through a transparent tunnel that provides a 270-degree panoramic view of the underwater environment. Adjacent to the aquarium is the Underwater Zoo, featuring a range of aquatic and terrestrial animals, from penguins to crocodiles. The attraction also offers interactive experiences like shark dives and ray encounters. In addition to its entertainment value, the Dubai Aquarium and Underwater Zoo is dedicated to marine conservation and education, raising awareness about the importance of preserving marine ecosystems and biodiversity. Visitors can also explore gift shops with marine-themed souvenirs and dine while enjoying panoramic views of the aquarium. 9. World's largest observation wheel. Ain Dubai, also known as the Dubai Eye, stands as one of the world's largest and tallest observation wheels, situated on Blue Waters Island off the coast of Dubai, United Arab Emirates. With a height of approximately 820 feet, 250 meters, it offers a mesmerizing aerial perspective of Dubai's stunning skyline and the Arabian Gulf. The observation wheel features 48 passenger cabins, each capable of accommodating up to 40 passengers, making it a prominent attraction for both residents and tourists. Ain Dubai's location on Blue Waters Island provides visitors with a unique and panoramic view of the city's iconic landmarks, including the Palm Jumeirah and the Burj Al Arab. It has become a symbol of Dubai's commitment to innovation and world-class entertainment. 8. The most expensive ice cream in the world. Dubai is renowned for its extravagant culinary offerings, and one remarkable example is the use of edible gold in various dishes. Among these culinary extravagances is the famous golden ice cream served at the Scoopy Cafe. This delectable treat is presented in a handmade Versace bowl, accompanied by a golden spoon, adding a touch of opulence to the dining experience. What sets it apart is the use of edible gold flakes, a luxurious element that is meticulously crafted into the dessert. Interestingly, edible gold is a safe and edible form of gold leaf, known for its use in upscale dining worldwide. Priced at approximately 3,000 AED, 816 USD or 761 euros, this creation stands as the world's most expensive ice cream. 7. Short skirts not allowed in Dubai. The dress code practiced throughout the United Arab Emirates, including Dubai, can appear unusual to the rest of the world. For instance, it strictly discourages miniskirts. In Dubai, it's advisable to opt for longer skirts like midi or maxi skirts that extend below the knee, especially in traditional areas. These skirts, known for their flowy and relaxed style, align with local customs. Interestingly, the UAE takes its customs seriously, and there's even a fun fact that UAE humorously stands for United Attire of Elegance, emphasizing the importance of dressing respectfully. On the other hand, miniskirts are generally discouraged, particularly in places like souks and markets, where they may not be well received. When it comes to short shorts, it's best to keep them for the beach, as clothing that is overly tight or revealing can be seen as disrespectful to local customs. Therefore, choosing attire that is modest and culturally appropriate is recommended when visiting Dubai. 6. Gavora Hotel. The Gavora Hotel, located in the vibrant city of Dubai, holds the prestigious title of being the tallest hotel in the world. This remarkable luxury hotel stands at an impressive height of 1,168 feet, 356 meters, and features a stunning contemporary design. The hotel boasts 75 floors, housing a range of luxurious rooms and suites, along with a variety of dining and leisure amenities. Guests are treated to panoramic views of Dubai's iconic skyline from the hotel's rooftop, and the property offers an exquisite blend of modern comforts and hospitality. Its prime location in the heart of Dubai makes it a popular choice for travelers seeking both opulence and convenience in this dynamic metropolis. 5. One of the longest driverless train systems in the world. The Dubai Metro stands as one of the world's longest and most advanced driverless train systems. It consists of two primary lines, the Red Line and the Green Line, which collectively form an extensive network of automated train services. The metro system is characterized by its state-of-the-art technology, including automated ticketing systems, platform screen doors, and advanced signaling systems. Operating with high efficiency and punctuality, it serves key areas of Dubai, including major business districts, tourist destinations, and residential neighborhoods. The Dubai Metro prioritizes accessibility and sustainability, offering a convenient and eco-friendly mode of transportation for both residents and tourists in the city. 4. World's largest gold market in Dubai. The Dubai Gold Souk is recognized as the largest gold market globally, offering an unparalleled selection of gold jewelry, ornaments, and precious metals. Situated in the heart of Dubai's historic Deira district, this iconic marketplace features a vast array of gold shops and stores, each showcasing an extensive range of intricate design and craftsmanship. Visitors to the Dubai Gold Souk can explore an astonishing variety of gold items, from traditional to contemporary styles, catering to diverse tastes and preferences. This renowned market is a hub for both local and international gold traders, contributing significantly to Dubai's status as a global center for the gold trade. Shoppers and gold enthusiasts alike are drawn to the Dubai Gold Souk to witness the city's rich tradition of gold craftsmanship and to partake in the age-old art of haggling while acquiring exquisite gold treasures. 3. Atlantis the Palm. Atlantis the Palm is an iconic luxury resort situated on the stunning Palm Jumeirah Island in Dubai. It offers a breathtaking blend of opulence, entertainment, and marine experiences. The resort boasts a variety of accommodations, including underwater suites with mesmerizing views of the Ambassador Lagoon, home to a diverse range of marine life. Atlantis is also known for its Aquaventure water park, featuring thrilling water slides and a pristine beach, as well as the Lost Chambers Aquarium, where guests can explore a mystical underwater world. With a range of world-class restaurants, bars, and entertainment options, Atlantis the Palm is a sought-after destination for travelers seeking an unforgettable and indulgent escape in Dubai. 2. Drive a Ferrari at the Dubai Autodrome. Visitors to Dubai have the thrilling opportunity to drive a Ferrari at the Dubai Autodrome, a renowned motorsports and entertainment venue. The experience allows enthusiasts to get behind the wheel of a high-performance Ferrari sports car and navigate the Autodrome's track, offering an adrenaline-pumping adventure and a taste of luxury and speed. Participants receive expert guidance and safety instructions to ensure a safe and exhilarating driving experience. It's worth noting that the availability of such experiences and the specific cars offered may change over time. 1. Relatna. In December 2014, Dubai achieved yet another Guinness World Record by creating the world's longest graffiti scroll known as the Relatna. Measuring an impressive 1.3952 miles, 2.2454 kilometers in length, this work of art translates to Our Journey. This remarkable feat involved the collaboration of talented artists from the UAE and around the world who contributed to the project. The graffiti scroll featured depictions of Arabian animals, iconic landmarks of the UAE, and Arabic calligraphy, showcasing the rich cultural heritage and artistic diversity of Dubai. This initiative underscores Dubai's commitment to fostering creativity and promoting public art as a means of cultural expression and record-breaking achievement. Let us know which one of these Dubai experiences thrilled you the most. And if you think we've left anything out, leave us a comment telling us what else you think should have made the list.